Diamonds are one of the most valuable and sought-after gemstones in the world. But how can you know if a rough diamond is real without visiting a professional jeweler? While only a certified gemologist can give a 100% accurate verification, there are several simple tests you can do at home to check the authenticity of a rough diamond. Starter 1. The scratch test. Diamonds are the hardest natural substance, scoring 10 on the Mohs scale of hardness. This means they can scratch almost any other material, including glass. How to test. Take a glass plate and gently try to scratch it with the rough diamond. Result. If it scratches the glass easily, it could be a real diamond. If it doesn't, it is likely another mineral. Be careful, this test can damage softer stones. Number 2. The water float test. Real diamonds are dense and heavy. How to test. Fill a glass with water and drop the stone in. Result. A real diamond will sink quickly, while fake stones may float or sink slowly. 3. The fog test. Diamonds disperse heat rapidly. How to test. Breathe on the stone to create fog. Result. Real diamonds clear up instantly, while fake stones stay foggy for a few seconds. Number 4. Visual inspection. Use a magnifying glass to inspect the rough diamond closely. Look for sharp edges and angular facets. Natural diamonds often have small imperfections or inclusions. Stones that are too perfect might be synthetic or fake. Number 5. UV light test. Some diamonds fluoresce under ultraviolet UV light. How to test? Shine a UV light on the stone in a dark room. Result. Many diamonds emit a blue glow. Keep in mind that the absence of fluorescence does not automatically mean the stone is fake. Number 6. Heat test. Optional. Diamonds conduct heat very well. How to test? Heat the stone slightly, then drop it into cold water. Result. A real diamond will withstand the sudden temperature change, while many fakes may crack. This test is risky and can break the stone if it is not real. Conclusion. Checking a rough diamond at home is possible using simple methods like scratching glass, observing density in water, fogging, and UV light. For more reliable results, combining multiple tests is recommended. Ultimately, the most accurate way to verify a diamond's authenticity is through professional certification. Tip: always handle rough diamonds carefully, as their edges can be sharp and improper testing can damage both the stone and surfaces.